Understanding shoulder season in travel. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase used in travel, shoulder season. Understanding this term not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps in planning trips more effectively. Let's dive in. Shoulder season refers to the time period between a destination's peak and off-peak seasons. It's when tourist crowds are thinner, prices are often lower, and the weather is still generally favorable. This term is crucial for travelers looking for a balance between avoiding large crowds and enjoying good weather. The term shoulder season originated from the idea of shouldering into a new season. It's a metaphor for the transition periods, not quite the busy, peak season, nor the slow, off-peak season. It's akin to standing on the shoulders of these seasons. Traveling during the shoulder season comes with multiple benefits. Lower costs. With less demand, prices for flights, accommodations, and activities often drop. Fewer crowds. Popular destinations are less crowded, offering a more relaxed experience. Pleasant weather. While it's not peak season, the weather is typically still enjoyable, making it ideal for sightseeing and outdoor activities. Identifying the shoulder season varies by destination. Generally, it falls during spring and autumn, but it's essential to research your specific destination. Look into historical weather patterns, tourist trends, and local events to determine the best shoulder season period. Here are some tips for making the most out of shoulder season travel. Research. Look into your destination's specific shoulder season timing. Be flexible. Weather can be more unpredictable, so be ready for some adjustments. Enjoy local experiences. With fewer tourists, it's a great time to explore local culture and hidden gems. We hope this video has shed light on the concept of shoulder season and how it can enhance your travel experiences. Whether you're planning your next trip or just expanding your English vocabulary, understanding this term is definitely beneficial. Happy travels and happy learning!